Ever wondered what makes a package risky? It's a question that echoes in the minds of courier drivers every single day. You see, the world of courier transportation isn't just about moving boxes from point A to point B. It's a complex dance with the unknown. Each package, a sealed enigma, its contents, a mystery. Could be a birthday gift, could be hazardous chemicals. It's this uncertainty that makes every delivery a potential risk. As a courier driver, you're not just a transporter, you're a guardian of safety, of legality, of trust. You're expected to ensure that what you're delivering is not just safe for you, but for the community at large. It's a heavy responsibility, but a crucial one. Without knowing what's inside, every package is a mystery waiting to be unveiled. So how do you navigate this labyrinth of unknowns? That's what we're here to unravel. Stay tuned. Consider the case of a courier driver in New York who unknowingly delivered a package containing illegal substances. This unsuspecting driver found themselves embroiled in a legal quagmire. Their life turned upside down because they didn't recognize the signs of a risky package. Now, let's travel west to sunny California. A courier here unknowingly transported a package containing hazardous materials. The package ruptured en route, causing a major health scare and a costly cleanup. In both instances, the courier drivers were innocent, but they ended up in precarious situations. They weren't trained to spot the red flags that might indicate a package is dangerous, illegal, or unsafe. These are not just isolated incidents. They're examples from a plethora of cases where courier drivers have been inadvertently caught up in risky situations due to lack of knowledge. These stories serve as a stark reminder of the risks involved in the courier business. So, how can courier drivers safeguard themselves from risky packages? Well, it all starts with a keen eye and a healthy dose of skepticism. It's crucial to be alert for any signs of danger or illegality. If a package is unusually heavy, emits an odd smell, or is leaking, it's a clear red flag. Next, thorough paperwork is your best friend. Ensure that the sender's information is complete and legitimate. If something doesn't add up, don't be afraid to ask questions. Transparency is key in this business. Finally, if a package raises your suspicion, report it. It's not just about your safety, but also about maintaining the integrity of the courier industry. Reach out to your supervisor or local authorities and let them handle the situation. Remember, your safety and legality are paramount. Never hesitate to question a package that seems risky. In the world of courier deliveries, not all packages are created equal. We've taken a deep dive into the mysterious and sometimes risky realm of package delivery. We've explored cases of hazardous and illegal items and how to identify and handle these potential threats. Staying vigilant and following safety protocols can make all the difference. The next time you handle a package, remember, it's not just about delivering it on time, it's about ensuring it's safe and legal too.